Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Let me go over the deals that are going to start at Walgreens April 16th through April 22nd. But first of all, like I always tell you, welcome to Easy Couponing, where I try to make it as easy as possible for you to save your money on your weekly hauls at Walgreens. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. Like the video, comment, and share. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And welcome to all my new subscribers. Let me go ahead and get started with the deals next week. I'm not going to lie to you. This week coming up is not going to be a good one. So I want to get this video out and make sure you guys are prepared and start your shopping haul this week before it ends on the 15th. This is a better week to get your deals at Walgreens. I'm going to go through the deals and I'll let you see everything that's coming up. We're going to be getting a spend 25, get $7 back in Walgreens cash rewards on the purchase of purchase of cosmetic products. You're going to be spending $25 and you're going to be getting $7 back in cash rewards. So make sure you take advantage of that. Clip that coupon on Sunday morning. That's when you need to clip that in order for you to be able to use it. Okay. The following deals are the week deals of the week. Buy one, get one free on Blue Diamond Almonds. Buy one, get one free on Kellogg's products, cereal, Pop Tarts, or snacks. Dental care. I don't know how to tell you this, but the rewards are getting lower and lower, and the prices are getting higher and higher. We're going to be spending $3 or $4, right? We're going to be getting the $3 option, obviously, because we want to pay less for our products. Get the $3 options. You're going to be picking up two of them, and you're going to be getting $3 back in store reward. It used to be five, it used to be four. Now we're getting $3 back on the purchase of two. Things are not looking good, but we're going to get through this and we're going to get through this, friends. So don't worry. Just stay tuned for my videos on Sunday. I'll bring you an updated video with some of the best deals that you could do this following week or upcoming week starting on the 16th. Again, the deals that end on the 15th are better. So if you want to take advantage of those deals, get them this week before Saturday midnight. That's when the deals end. 2 for 13 on Gillette, Old Spice, or Secret deodorants. These are buy three, get $5 back in store reward. Clip any coupons that you have. You can use them for Sunday, as long as they don't expire until after the 16th. $7.99 on the Gillette disposable razors. When you buy two, you're getting back $5. Buy three, get $5 back in store rewards, and that's on the Olay or Old Spice bath care. That deal is back, and they're $7 each. 2 for $21 on the Ninjamas or Pampers products, and when you buy three, you're getting $5 back in store reward. Advil. I've never seen the Advil. Well, I've seen the Advil deal, but I hadn't seen it as part of the deals of the week in a long time. So there's going to be some headaches. Hopefully not. I hope you're not having headaches. Don't have headaches. Smile. Life is too beautiful to have a headache. $9.99 for Advil pain relief, and when you buy two, you're going to be getting $5 back in store reward. So make sure you clip any coupons that you have for those. Buy one, get one half off on Icy Hot Pain Relief. When you buy two, you get $5 back in store rewards. And again, we're going to be getting some coupons on Sunday morning. So make sure you clip those as soon as you wake up. Clip your coupons for products that you're going to be getting for your week at Walgreens. Buy two, get one free on 12 packs of Coca-Cola products. And you can pay with points there. You can pay with cash rewards. You can pay with register rewards. Use your cash rewards, use your points, use your register rewards. This is not the time to be spending money out of pocket. If you have points, if you have rewards, if you have register rewards, remember those all expire. Register rewards, cash rewards, they all expire. And if you did not know that, become a Walgreens expert. I'm going to leave that playlist at the end of this video so you can become a Walgreens expert. I have four videos that I worked on for you all so you can learn exactly how to coupon at Walgreens and what Walgreens cash rewards mean, if it expires, how to get additional cash rewards, etc. That playlist will be linked at the end of this video so you can forward to it, or you can wait until the end of this video to get to it. Okay. 2 for $4 on the Nabisco small box cookies. You're better off getting those at the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to lie. Okay, 3 for 333 on the sparkling ice. And we have a bunch of other deals here that you can take advantage of. All of these with the red around them are part of the Red Nose Day. They're proud supporters of the Red Nose Day, which is a foundation that helps kids with healthcare, right? So 2 for 4 on the Nerds gummy clusters. Buy one get one half off on the Cadbury or Hershey share size candies. Okay. And here's a couple more things that you can take advantage of, like the batteries. Buy one get one free on vitamins and supplements with my Walgreens, and you can get 5% cash rewards on your purchase. So select whatever you need. Use your cash rewards if you have any. For that deal, you could pay with a register reward, and you'll still earn the cash rewards. Okay, as long as the register reward is a manufacturer coupon. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast or a little too slow. Obviously, you could forward the video or you could rewind it, and you could pause it and stop it so you could jot down what you're going to be getting. I'm trying to bring you this video as early as possible so you are prepared and you make a decision as to buying your products this week before it ends on Sunday for the deals that end on Saturday night, or if you're going to wait until the week starting the 16th, which is Sunday. But the deals are not they're not the best. I'm not going to lie to you. As you can see here, hardly anything is giving back any cash rewards, any register rewards, any points. So get ready. Get ready, friends. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go to household and pets. That's our favorite section. So we can see what household products we're gonna be able to get and what deals are available. So you can make a decision there. Like I said, I'm scrolling through here. So you're able to see everything that's available. But I'll get to the sections that we all love, household and pets, and some other ones there, personal care, etc. Okay, so here we are. Blood pressure monitors, buy one, get one free on Foster Grant online, walgreens.com, or the Walgreens app. Those are for glasses. Okay. All right. We're almost there. I think the next section coming up is household and pets, personal care. Okay. Personal care, again, the Crest Oral-B products. We're going to be picking up the $3 ones. When you buy two, you get $3 back in store reward. That store reward prints out at checkout at the register in store. So make sure you do not leave that register until you get that register reward printed. As well for the Old Spice, make sure you buy all of these separately in order for your rewards to print. Sometimes the computer system gets discombobulated and it doesn't print everything else. So we want to make sure that you get all of your register rewards. For these deals that say buy, you're able to pay with points. So keep that in mind. If you have cash rewards points, use your cash rewards to buy those. Okay. 2 for $21 on the Huggies jumbo diaper. Buy for check your account for a $5 coupon on two or $6 coupon on two Sunday morning. That's a pretty good deal. The Huggies, you buy two. Okay. None of these hair care deals are giving anything back this week. Okay. Is anybody surprised about that? I mean, we're not getting anything back. Dove or Dove Men's Bath Care are buy two, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. This one's a pretty good deal. If we get that $7 coupon, I'm crossing my fingers, crossing my eyes that we get that $7 coupon on Sunday morning on the purchase of two. That'll make two of these for $7, and we get back a $4 Walgreens cash, making each of the items $1.50. That's not going to be a bad deal. This is probably going to be one of the best deals this week at Walgreens if you could find the products. So you have to wake up very early Sunday morning. So wake up early. I'll be bringing you that video bright and early. Okay. All right. Let's get to the section we like. That Dove deal is going to be pretty good, and you could get the bar soap, and you could get the body wash as you saw there. Spend 10 get 5 on these twin packs, either Burt's Bees, Crest, Fixodent, Oral-B, or Scope products. $3 back in Walgreens cash on the purchase of one Tom's of Maine's toothpaste. Make sure you clip that coupon. Sunday morning, you'll be paying 99 cents for one of these toothpaste. Don't say I didn't tell you. All right. $2 in store rewards on lifestyle skin non latex condoms. $5 back in store rewards when you buy three always feminine care products. Skin and sun care. None of these are getting anything back, but I'll let you check them out. Buy one get one half off on Aveeno facial care. And I'm not being negative. I'm just being truthful and honest, and I'm just telling you what it is. I'm showing you exactly what the deals are going to be on Sunday morning when you wake up or when you go to the store, so you can save time. If you don't like the deals, you could skip a week. Nothing's going to happen with you skipping a week. Okay, you won't miss out on anything. Actually, I'm going to wait until the following week probably to go in store and shop. Hopefully, the following week is better. The following week is better. $4.99 on Cottonelle, Kleenex, or Viva paper products. If you have cash rewards, you could use $4 in cash rewards to pay and pay 99 cents for one of them. Or you could use a register reward, $4 register reward, and pay 99 cents for one of them. Okay. This is going to be another one of the best deals at Walgreens this week. It's going to be on the complete home trash bags or Walgreens bath tissue. The 4 packs, 4 mega rolls equals 17 is going to be $1.99, which is not a bad deal. You're going to be able to get that for $1.99. Use your points, use your cash rewards to pay for that. There'll be a $3 coupon for Tide laundry products. Make sure you clip that so you get one of these big bottles for $9.99. $3.49 for Bounce Downy or Tide, and we are not getting anything back this week. $13.99 for Persil. We have a $2 coupon on Sunday morning, making one of these for $11.99. 2 for $6 on Purex laundry care, and when you spend $15, you'll get $2 back in Walgreens cash on 7th generation products. Dawn liquid dish liquid is buy two get $1 back in store reward, and they're $1.24 each. Okay, here's some more items that you could pick up. None of these are giving anything back starting on Sunday. The Swiffers are giving something back this week, so make sure you pick those up if you need them for the deals that end Saturday the 15th. 2 for $2 on the complete home aluminum foil. That's a pretty good deal. That's $1 each, and you can use $2 in cash rewards to pay. Here are some grocery deals that you could look at and take a look and see what you want to pick up. Use your cash rewards, use your register rewards to pay for these products. If you remember, I did a video. I did a food haul paying only with register rewards and cash rewards, and I got a pretty good deal. I mean, I bought groceries for like a week using my cash rewards and register rewards. So it could be done. You're able to do it. All right. Let me see. We're almost done with the weekly sales ad. I'm going to skip a couple sections here that I already went over. And again, like I said, the only thing you can't buy with cash rewards or register rewards is milk, a lottery, cigarettes, or liquor, alcohol. Okay. You can't buy liquor or alcohol, lottery, or cigarettes, or milk. Everything else you're able to pay with cash rewards and register reward. Okay, here's a couple more items. Some sweets, candy, chewing gum, seasonal toys and gifts. Some of these don't have prices. Photo and electronics, these are the codes that you're going to be needing. Blooming will give you 50% off on photo. Everything photo. Bloom wall, 60% off wall decor. Blooming, 50% off pillow and blankets. And battery deals are there. Buy one get one half off on ink cartridges. And these are the online exclusive deals. When we buy, we're going to be saving 20% on the purchase of number 7 products, skincare and cosmetics, 20% off with code GLOW20. We're going to be saving, we do have a $7 coupon. Oh my God, from $7, the bath care plus a $7 coupon online. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We are going to be getting that $7 coupon. This is very good news here. Online, we're going to be picking these up. Okay. 15% off on $20 purchase of Maybelline Cosmetics. There's no code needed. All you have to do is shop online. Contact 25 will get you 25% off contact lenses. 7 Gen 1 will get you, what's it going to give us? It's going to give you $1 off, a whole $1 off. Wow. Buy one, get one half off, plus $1 off with 7th Gen 1. JCat5 is going to give you 5 off 25 on JCat Beauty with that code. And buy one, get one half off on Shea Moisture Bath Care. So these are the deals that are going to be starting. Um, oop, where am I? Starting April 16th through April 22nd. Let me know what you think. Are you going to wait for the following week? Are you going to be going and getting some of these deals? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you're thinking. To me, they don't seem that great. I mean, there's a couple deals there that might be good, but for the most part, it's not looking good. It's going, for some reason, the deals are just getting worse and worse. Hopefully, they'll pick up starting the following week. Not next week, the following week. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up, subscribe, leave me your thoughts, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Thank you for so much love. Thank you for sharing the video. And thank you for subscribing. And welcome to all my new subscribers. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.